Developing Academic Language in ELLs. Cummings' research on conversational and academic language for English language learners show that a large amount of ELL students are misplaced into special education programs. Students show that they are fluent in conversational English, but they are lacking academic English. Schools assume that these students lack cognitive skills because of their writing. Cummings worked to show that there are more than one type of language proficiency. It is challenging to bridge the conversational skills and academic skills that require effort from those students and their teachers. Teachers should scaffold the learning and use sequenced lessons. Ideally, as learning is scaffolded, the students will make steps to move from conversational to academic English proficiency. This progress should help avoid students being improperly placed into special education classrooms. The difference in vocabulary that can be seen across the spectrum of ELL students is large. When using rich, varied language experiences, a teacher might allow students to speak both English and their first language. Many writers have also encouraged the use of graphic organizers to teach individual words. Teaching strategies like using context clues help students with learning words. Students can also call on cognates to help increase English proficiency. Using reference tools such as words and picture dictionaries that are at the right level for ELL students can be helpful as they acquire academic language. Fostering word consciousness is pointing out the differences between words in different languages or using new words in the lessons to see if any students notice. Lexile density are words such as nouns, verbs, and adjectives and adverbs. Teachers can help students write more academically by using signal words and transition words. Posting words on walls also help give students visuals. Research has shown sentence combining activities are also helpful. Advanced ELL students can further refine their writing and create academic style by nominalization. The main challenge for students is writing and academic style. Signal words can be used to help connect these. Different types of genres students also need to learn, such as personal, factual, and analytical, because each genre has its own specific language feature. Assessing academic language is difficult for ELLs because ELL students are assessed more than native English speakers. ELL students are required to take standardized tests that measure content areas proficiency in language arts, mathematics, and science. The tests can be modified to help ELL students, such as translations. Also, they could be modified. They could be given more time on the test, or they could use bilingual dictionaries. Proficiency standards. The English language proficiency standards give a baseline for English language learners and how they should perform in regards to academic language proficiency. The first proficiency standard focuses on social, intercultural, and instructional communication, students' need for school. Sample performance indicators show each academic standard by proficiency level, grade level, and the language domains. Each indicator sample shows the required language functions. These indicators help make the same academic content available to all English language learners and modify the language function and support for different English proficiency levels.